Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppal, I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and today's video is going to be a slightly different one. We're going to be showing you a couple of trades, but in addition to that we're going to be discussing some fundamental events that we're going to be looking at for next week, and also how to trade some events using our Platinum Trading algorithm. Now, firstly, let's talk about the events. The events that we're going to sort of show you how you would be trading them through the algorithm is an event that particularly takes place on oil, which is crude oil inventories. I know a lot of clients have been very interested in wanting to learn about this strategy, and not even clients, people who aren't members of ours but looking to learn how our strategy works. Now, through crude oil inventories, as you all know, this is a sort of key indicator upon supply and demand each week on crude oil. And that will then have an effect upon certain currencies, but of course on the oil price itself. So we're going to come and show you this price movement now on the chart and show you a little bit about how that works. Now, as I bring the chart across here, you can see that this is the oil chart, and what you'll be able to see on the Wednesday, as the crude oil inventories was released, we got quite a sharp dip in price here on the crude oil. Now, normally on the crude oil, what we would look at doing is we'd be looking at trading a third zone reversal. Now, on this particular instance, it didn't quite get there, but that's okay, because at the same time we're actually looking to trade the dollar CAD. Okay? And the dollar CAD is the same type of strategy on the third zone. Now, you might be thinking, why would you trade the dollar CAD if it's an crude oil trade? Well, as we all know, the Canadians rely quite heavily upon commodity exports, and one of those commodities being crude oil. So if we go across to our dollar CAD chart, what we'll be able to see is on the Wednesday, at that same time as the crude oil inventories was released, dollar CAD came into this third sell zone. Okay? The reason it's a third sell zone 1, sell zone 2, sell zone 3. And you can see from there, the price went into the sell zone, did nudge a little bit above that, but that's okay, that's within your parameters. I mean, you're probably going to be looking for around a 25 pip stop on that, and you're going to be looking for around 25-30 pip profit. And you can see pretty much from there, it's definitely produced the pips. And that's a really simple strategy that can be used using the trading algorithm at a time of the day which is okay for most people to get in and around. And the good thing about that algorithm is that these trading levels, they are set at the beginning of the day, so they don't change. So as soon as you get the price levels of this zone, which was 31.60 for that day, you could have simply set an order. So in around the time of crude oils, you set a sell order in around 31.60, and you have your take profit for around 25-30 pips, and that's as easy a trade as you're ever going to take. And that's the type of strategy that we like to use here for trading around those certain types of events, is looking for reversal trades, not necessarily trying to trade the spike, because as you'll all know, if you're experienced enough, trading a spike when you've got a normal feed on your PC is very difficult. So what we're looking for to help our clients is to trade those reversal levels, and those major reversals are gained from using the algorithm to your advantage. In addition to the algorithm, we've obviously also got the trading floor. The trading floor being the analysis that we provide to our clients on a daily and weekly basis, in order to provide them with not just opportunities but in-depth analysis on each pair. So the great thing is that we teach you one-to-one training here. So we'll teach you the knowledge of how to do the analysis all yourself, and then you can use the Platinum analysis if you wish for some confirmation, and you use the trading algorithm for some confirmation of some day trading entry. So it's kind of a nice all-encompassing type of role that we play here for our clients, supporting them through every step of the way. Now, in regards to the trading algorithm itself, that would be downloaded onto your PC, but also what we're actually providing is providing free access to it through our trading consultation. That's with one of our traders. The way to do that is really simple. You go to our website, Platinum Trading Academy, you click on free consultation there at the top right hand corner, and what that will do is that will get you booked in for a session with one of the traders who will screen share They'll show you the algorithm, so you effectively have access to that at that particular time, and show you how some of the other strategies would work around your lifestyle, around your day. Because we understand there's people working full time, they've got to trade around their jobs. So our role here is to try and help facilitate that for you. But I just want to say, look, thank you so much for listening today, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos so you can keep following us. But secondly, leave your details on our website. We're more than happy to get in touch with you. It's a completely free call. There's no obligation to it, so we can sort of get you booked in and get you shown everything and see if it's going to be a nice fit for you or not. But otherwise, hope everyone has an absolutely wonderful weekend, and we look forward to speaking to you next week. Thank you.